Hi guys, today in front of me POCO X5 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first we should open the settings app and then scroll down to the wallpaper section. Then click agree. You will just open the online wallpapers. If you want to use them, you should be connected to the internet, to Wi-Fi or mobile data. After that you can use them, but if you want to use the default photos or photos from your device gallery, you should switch wallpapers to profile, click here to wallpapers, and we'll see here system, our default system wallpapers, or we should click here to this plus icon, click allow, and use photos from our device gallery, Google Drive or Google Photos or Files Manager. I just have no any photos previously taken on the device camera, so I'll just use now the regular default wallpaper. We can tap to preview, tap to apply, and set as a lock screen wallpaper. We can see the message that this wallpaper applied successfully, so I'll just lock the device, and that's it. Also, we got one more way how we can do that. Just first we should hold for a while the empty space on the home screen with the finger, then click on the left down corner to the wallpaper icon, and by the same way you can use your wallpapers from your device gallery or just the online wallpapers. For example, let's use one from these wallpapers. Let's use this one, click apply, set as lock screen, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.